Tiana was halfway through stirring her famous gumbo when her magic spice jar tumbled, sprinkling glittering specks straight into the simmering pot. She gasped. The air sparkled. Just then, SpongeBob popped in, eager for lunch. But instead of gumbo's usual savory aroma, a mischievous giggle bubbled from the pot. From the open kitchen window, the sparkling steam floated out, drifting down to the undersea lagoon where SpongeBob lived. The lagoon began to shimmer as the magical gumbo sparkles touched the water. Sea cucumbers burst into dance routines, starfish belted out jazz numbers, and jellyfish floated in formation to spell out funny phrases. Fish clapped, laughing uncontrollably, as crabs formed an impromptu conga line. "Oh, barnacles, this is sillier than April Fool's Day," SpongeBob cried, dashing to stop a fish from singing opera into a conch shell. Tiana raced after him, apron flying, her wooden spoon wand at the ready. She whispered, "My gumbo's magic is out of control. We have to bring peace back." Looking to Tiana, SpongeBob found his courage. "Let's cook up a calm spell." Together, they waded into the whirl of laughter and chaos. Tiana dropped a pinch of cool bay leaf and a dash of harmony thyme into her spoon. SpongeBob sang a gentle sea shanty, his voice rising pure above the din. The magic shimmered, swirled, and softened. One by one, the creatures paused. The jazzy starfish slowed to a gentle hum. The jellyfish floated into a lazy spiral, spelling "thank you." SpongeBob, grinning, ladled a spoonful of calm gumbo for each sea critter.